are days in our life when we want to spend a lot on our skincare products, but our pocket doesn't allow us to do that. So that time we feel so low, disheartened, and we feel like, why this product even exists in this world? Why can't we purchase it? So it happens with everyone. So today I am there with a surprise for you all. Today I am here to let you know that you don't have to worry at all when it comes to your pocket. So today I will tell you about those products which you can buy in rupees 500. Today I'm going to tell you about those products which you can buy in rupees 500. Yes, you can buy. Even if you have 500 in your pocket, just go and buy those products and you will not be disheartened. You will not feel that this product is not at all for your skin. Yes, it is for your skin, and you will be very happy with the result. Of course, I'm not saying that the products which are expensive is not good at all, but this video is only for those who cannot afford it, and you don't need to dishearten, you don't need to feel bad about it. You can buy the best skincare products for yourself even if you have less amount in your pocket. It's pocket friendly and it's best for your skin. So today I'm going to tell you about those products. I'll be telling you about the product step by step so that you can come to know that when to use that product, and I'll be telling you about the benefits and what all ingredient that product is having. First product is from Beauties, the honey gel face wash. So first step, we always go with washing our face. So if you want to wash your face with the pocket friendly face wash, then always go with Beauties honey gel face wash. This face wash is really amazing for your skin because of the ingredient which it contains. I will be telling you about Arjun tree a little bit. Arjun tree is very famous in Ayurvedic studies because Ayurvedic medicines are made up of Arjun tree. Arjun tree is a very old tree and it is used from past 3000 years for making Ayurvedic medicines. And not only medicines, it's very amazing for your skin as well. It helps you to prevent your skin from damage and aging. So if you are facing any kind of skin damage or aging problems, so then this is perfect for your skin. Whenever you wash your face at night, make one thing very sure that you go with the sheet mask soon after you wash your face. So today I'll be telling you about Innisfree sheet mask. So I love this sheet mask. This sheet mask is really amazing because it is of honey. So yes, honey is very useful for your skin and it always prevents your skin from the inner damage and it always makes your skin look soft and beautiful. And this honey sheet mask is my favorite one because I have a super dry skin, so I always try my level best to go with those products which are good for dry skin. So this is my favorite. This sheet mask is full of so many ingredients. There are so many ingredients into it. It is mentioned here also, and still I'm telling you, if you feel a burning sensation on your face or anywhere around your eyes or lips or nose, so don't keep it for 10 minutes. You have to keep the sheet mask, whatever sheet mask you are using, you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Thus, soon after it start getting dry. So you have to make one thing very sure that when you are using it, you feel some burning sensation on your face. At that moment only, just remove it. It's okay. Soon after the sheet masking, the next step is toning part, and today I'll be telling you about the toner which is pocket friendly and which is my favorite as well. So the toner is from Beauties Honey Water Toner. This is my favorite because of the after effect and of course the price. And this toner is very amazing for your skin, and if you want something good for your skin and you want that my night face should be the most beautiful face without makeup as well, so if you want something good for your skin, then go with this toner. And I am in love with this one because of the ingredients. I love this toner because of the ingredients to it. Some ingredients even I don't know, so I'll be telling you those ingredients which I am familiar with, and that is gulab petals, japa flowers, purified water and madhu. This is the best toner you can ever get. So you don't have to worry about spending much. Even this bottle can give you amazing result. So 3 steps are done. So first was washing your face, second was sheet mask, third was toning. So now the fourth part. So what is the fourth step? Is giving moisture to your skin, and moisture we give with VLCC cold cream. This cream is amazing, trust me. When you don't want to spend much on other products, even this cream will do a wonder to your skin. This VLCC fruit cream is amazing for the dry skin and for all types of skin, but my skin is dry and it actually works on my skin amazingly. It gives amazing moisture to my skin while I go to bed, and this step always help me out when I feel like my skin is getting dry or my skin is not getting enough moisture. So I always go with this cream. This contains fruits, almond and honey. And let me tell you one thing, you must be thinking that all the products which I am telling you today contains honey. So I just want to tell you that honey is actually very important for your skin. Honey always gives moisture to your skin, and honey always prevent your skin from the damage. So even if you are working outside home and you feel like your face is getting dry, dull and not up to the mark which you think it was earlier, so these products are perfect for you. So you don't have to worry about anything. If that product contains honey, that is more than enough. And yes, it's not about the products also. If you have some dry honey or raw honey at your place, you can just apply it on your face and keep it for 20 minutes and then wash your face and see the results. So honey is the perfect medicine for your damaged skin. So let me come back to my product then. So yes, this product also contains honey, fruit and almond, and these 3 ingredients are perfect for your skin to get nourished and moisture. So the next step is protecting your lips. When it comes to skincare and especially the night routine, we always focus on lips as well. We cannot just skip this thing because lips always give a beauty to your face. So the lip balm is from Blue Heaven and I am in love with this lip balm. Just look at the packing. I'll show you the packing. See, the packing is so cute, and let me open it for you guys. See, this is so cute, just like a lychee, and I love lychee, that's why I said that name. So yeah, this is very cute and this is very effective, and I love the fragrance and I love the packing as well. So this is pocket friendly and my favorite, and I guess this will be your favorite soon. So you can go with Blue Heaven lip balm strawberry flavor, and there are so many flavors too. Strawberry my favorite, and it looked like a lychee, so lychee is also my favorite fruit. So anyways, so this is amazing, and this is the 5th step to your skincare. So today I have told you about the products which are pocket friendly and which you can buy in rupees 500. So you don't have to worry about the money, you just have to worry about the steps. So whatever I have told you today, if you follow it with full dedication, trust me, nothing will happen to your skin. The products I am telling you today are of course pocket friendly, but there is honey into it, and that honey is the quantity. Quantity is also amazing. You don't have to worry about the quantity as well, until and unless you don't throw it here and there just to buy more products, but you can use these products for months. So don't worry about the quantity, they have good quantity into it. And don't worry about the amount as well. It is pocket friendly. So even if you have rupees 500 in your pocket, you can go and purchase these products. I hope this video was beneficial for you, and if you like this concept, please message me up and I'll be coming soon with new things for your budget friendly products. And if you want more to it, just DM me and let me know what you are expecting next.